Welcome to our tutorial on how to open sent messages in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to access your sent messages folder and review your sent emails. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. Once you're in the Gmail interface, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Locate and click on the main menu icon. Step 3. From the main menu options, find and click on Sent to open your sent messages folder. By following these quick steps, you can easily access your sent messages in Gmail on your PC. This feature allows you to review and manage your sent emails effectively. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy easy access to your sent messages in Gmail.